Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a Faisal Bank credit card points. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is make sure to complete the shown steps one by one accordingly for you to confirm the process and be able to use your coins. So as you can see, the first one will be simply log into your Faisal Bank online banking or mobile banking application. Now afterwards, you simply gotta go to the Blaze slash Velocity reward section. Once you're over there, simply gotta have to explore the available redemption options, which can be the purchase and gift cards from various popular brands and retailers for you to use your credit card points. Simply redeeming your points by booking flights or booking hotels or renting a car. That could be one of the options. Another would be simply paying your utility bills, your mobile phone bills, or other eligible bills. Yeah, then can be another option. Then we have all the option of transferring your points to another Braze or Velocity reward members account if you simply want to give them. And there's another one is simply accumulate. Afterwards you simply have to accumulate specific points to receive physical vouchers. You can also use this voucher for discount or purchase at designated partner store, as if they are partner with Faisal Bank itself, you will be able to use them right over there. Then afterwards, you can say look for the Blaze or Velocity Wire logo at partner stores, and you can also inquire with the staff of the place to ask whether that voucher can be used or not. So this is basically how you will be able to check out the points and also where you will be able to use it. These are the options. Hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.